If you stopped working today, how long could you survive without a paycheck? If your answer is not long, then this video might just change your entire financial future. In today's video, we're breaking down exactly how to build passive income streams that earn for you even while you sleep, and how to create financial independence the smart, sustainable way in 2025. No scams, no overnight promises, just real, proven methods backed by data and used by everyday Americans who've built true financial freedom. So let's start by understanding what passive income really means. Passive income isn't about doing nothing and magically getting rich. It's about doing the work once and continuing to get paid for it. Think of it as leveraged money. You put in time, effort, or capital once, and that effort keeps paying you with minimal maintenance. Some classic examples include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, digital products, and automated online businesses. According to a 2024 Fidelity study, the average American household with at least one passive income stream reported 27% higher financial security than those relying only on paychecks. That's the real power of passive income. It gives you breathing room, options, and control. To achieve financial independence, you have to build on three solid pillars. The first is active income: your job, freelance work, or main business. The second is passive income: investments or systems that earn while you're not working. And the third, often overlooked, is financial discipline: how you save, spend, and reinvest. Most people stay stuck in Pillar 1, trading hours for dollars. The real goal is to shift from working for money to having money work for you. That mindset shift is where true independence begins. Now let's go over 5 proven passive income streams that actually work in 2025, and how you can start small, even if you're new to investing or business. First, dividend investing. Dividend-paying stocks are one of the most time-tested ways to earn passive income. Big American companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson pay out a portion of their profits every quarter. For example, if you invested $5,000 in dividend ETFs, averaging a 5% annual yield, that's around $250 per year, completely passive. And when you reinvest those dividends, your money compounds automatically. Platforms like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and Vanguard make this simple and beginner-friendly. Second, digital products. The U.S. digital economy has exploded since 2020, and it's not slowing down. You can create and sell ebooks, online courses, digital planners, or software tools. The magic of this model is that once you create the product, it can sell for years. Imagine spending 2 weeks writing a $20 ebook that sells 100 copies a month. That's $2,000 monthly, without inventory or shipping. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, and Udemy handle everything automatically, letting you focus on creating and promoting. Third, affiliate marketing. This is perfect for creators, bloggers, or anyone who loves sharing useful products. You recommend a product, drop your unique link, and earn a commission for every sale. You can do this on a niche website, YouTube channel, or newsletter. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact.com, and ClickBank make it easy to start. It's low-cost, scalable, and ideal for beginners who want to earn passively while building online credibility. Fourth, real estate crowdfunding. Traditional real estate requires big capital, but platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest with as little as $10. You can earn returns from rental income and property appreciation without managing tenants or repairs. In 2024, the average Fundrise investor earned between 6% and 10% annual returns, making it a solid, fully passive investment option. And fifth, automated online businesses. Thanks to AI and automation, running an online business has never been easier. You can create print-on-demand stores, automated YouTube channels, AI-generated merchandise, or chatbot-powered e-commerce brands. These models take some work to set up, but once they're running, they can make money around the clock. The key is to use technology to multiply your output and free up your time. Now that you know what's possible, here's how to get started. First, pick one passive income stream that aligns with your interests or skills. Second, invest your first $100 to $500 to get real experience. Third, track your results monthly and reinvest profits instead of spending them. And fourth, stay consistent. Passive income isn't about overnight results. It's about building systems that compound over time. Financial independence isn't about luck. It's about design. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Every new stream of income you build gives you more control over your future, more freedom of time, and more peace of mind. And remember this: you can't build wealth overnight, but you can start building freedom today. If this video inspired you or gave you clarity, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to stop trading time for money. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.